Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basuraj Kuluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of business communication. We are in module number 4, video number 3. In previous class, we have seen the various types of classifications of reports. That is, the types of reports we have seen. Today, we shall discuss about the essentials or principles of report. The essentials or principles of report means those points which should be there in a report or which should be followed while preparing a report so that the report becomes effective and the purpose for that report is fulfilled. So that's why these points as an essential points we need to remember while preparing or while framing any report. Let us begin these points. Number 1, precision. The report should be precise. There must be a specificity in the report. The analysis and recommendations are directly by a central purpose. The clarity can be ensured with logical arrangement of paragraphs with the suitable heading. Here, the first point is precision. The purpose or the report what we are preparing should be clear. It should be precise. It should specify the purpose or reason behind that. So, the report should be precision. Then second point of principles of reports is accuracy. Here, while preparing the report, we need to remember that the data or information what we are using in preparing the report should be accurate, and the data should be correct because these reports or these informations are used for taking business decisions, and if these data or information used in the report, if it is wrong, then ultimately the decision taken by the management of the organization will be wrong. So therefore accuracy should be there in preparing the report. Then third point of essential of reports is relevance. The matters or the points or the facts what we are adding into the report, they should be relevant. They should be essentially, or the presence of that information or data should be essential in the report. The facts provided in the report should be relevant. Irrelevant facts make a report confusing. The relevance of report should have futuristic approach. Therefore, the facts or the things provided in the report should have a relevance. The next is reader's orientation. While preparing any report, we need to remember we need to understand who is going to read that. Or the person who will be using this report should understand the report in a proper way. So, the reader's orientation means while preparing a report, it is necessary to keep in mind the level of maturity of mind of the readers. A report meant for the layman is different from a report meant for technical experts. So, the report, when we are preparing, we need to remember for whom we are preparing. If it is for a common man, it need to be prepared in such a way that it should be understood by that person. Or if it is a technical report, then the technical points should be clear so that the reader should understand the report in a proper way. So that's why the reader's orientation is an essential principle of a report. The next is objectivity. If we are writing anything without an objective, it is a waste. Therefore, when we are, say, writing a report, we should involve the objectives. It should be, say, based on investigations leading to conclusion. It should not reveal any self-interest on the part of the writer. Whatsoever the objective of the report is there, it need to be meant. And as per that objective or as per that objectivity, the report should be prepared. The next point of essential of a report is brevity. A report should be brief. The communication shall be direct approach. It should not be at the cost of clarity and completeness. Here, the report what we are writing, it should be brief, it should be understandable, and it should give a complete message. But one thing we should remember, if we try to make the report in a brief, but we need to take care that the clarity and completeness of the report should be maintained. To make a report, say, brief, we try to, say, reduce the content, and because of which if the report is not understood or clear, then it would be a waste. So therefore a report should be brief. The next, clarity. Here the clarity depends on the arrangement of facts. The report writer must proceed systematically and should make his purpose clear. The report should define sources of the data, statistical analysis, its findings, and recommendations for policy implementation. Here, while we are preparing a report, we should take care that the report what we are preparing should be clear, it should give a proper facts, so that the reader must have a systematical and a clear purpose of the project report. So the report should have a complete data, statistical information, and its findings and recommendations for policy implementations. Because these reports are referred or used for decision making. And if we don't give a clear idea or clarity, then the same reports may be, say, waste in making decisions. So therefore the reports must be clear. Lastly, grammatical accuracy. Whenever we are writing any report, we should remember that the grammatical errors should be minimized. It should be written in a simple language and increase the beauty of the report. Many times we try to impress, and for impressing others, we use such a words or language which is difficult to understand by a common person. So therefore, the grammatical part as well as the language part should be taken care in a proper way, and the grammatical accuracy should be maintained. Because if the grammatical errors are more, then the message or the report may not be understood by the reader. So therefore grammatical accuracy should be maintained. So these are the points or principles of reports or essentials of report. That is number 1, precision, accuracy, relevance, reader's orientation, objectivity, brevity, clarity, and grammatical accuracy. So these are the essentials of a report. With this we shall stop here. In tomorrow's class we shall see the structure or parts of report. If you have any doubts and questions, you can feel free to contact me at any point of time. Thank you. Good day.